Hello everyone, today we will do worksheet number 2 of chapter 8 polynomials DAV. Right? Question number 1. Divide the monomials by given monomial. I am showing you the book also. See here. This is divide the following monomials by a given monomial. I have already told you monomial is a polynomial having only one term. So I am writing here. You can see here this is 6x cube divided by 3x square. So constant numbers first 6 over 3 and x. So this is x and powers are subtracted as per the rule of exponents. 3 twos are 6 and x power 3 minus 2 is 1. Need not to write 1. This was part number 1 of question number 1. Part number 2, minus 35 x power 4 divided by minus 7x cube. Minus and minus can be cut in numerator and denominator. 35 upon 7 and x, here power is 4, this is 3 and both are in division, so powers are subtracted. 7 ones are 7 fives are, this is 5. X power 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 is not needed to be written. Now part number 3. Minus 5z square divided by under root 5z. You know 2 can be written under root 2 into under root 2. 3 can be written under root 3 into under root 3. So 5 can be written as under root 5 into under root 5 upon this is under root 5 and this variable is a z. Here the power is 2, this is 1, so it is 2 minus 1. Under root 5 is cancelled with under root 5. You are left with minus under root 5 and z, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now let's start fourth part. This is 16p power 4 upon minus 6p square. So this minus sign I will write first. 16 upon 6. This is p power 4 minus 2. Powers are subtracted. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Minus 8 upon 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the answer. Now part number 5. We will do 5 number part. 4 under root 2 y cube upon 3 under root 2 y square. Under root 2 and under 2 can be cancelled in numerator and denominator. So it is 4 by 3 y cube and y square. Both are in numerator denominator. So they will be subtracted. 4 upon 3 y power 1 need not to be written 1. Sixth part. 3 upon 4 p square upon 4 upon 3 p square. First we will deal with the constant terms. 3 upon 4 and this is in division, so this will be reciprocated. 3 over 4 p square can be cancelled. So now you are to solve this. No cutting is possible. 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So 9 upon 16 is the answer. Now question number 2 we will do, and this is part number 1. Divide the following polynomials by monomial. So polynomial I am writing 6x power 4 minus 24x cube plus 15x square plus 9 divided by minus 3x square. Now you can see in the numerator, this polynomial has 4 terms. So what we will do, first term upon denominator minus 3x square, then minus 24x cube, and then the denominator minus 3x square, then plus 15x square upon minus 3x square, then plus 9 upon minus 3x square. Now we will solve this. Minus 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Minus 2x power 4 minus 2. Powers are subtracted. Minus and minus in product becomes plus. 3 ones are 3 eights are. This is 8 and x power 3 minus 2. Minus and plus minus, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 5. X square can be cancelled. Minus and plus is minus, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So it is minus 3 upon x square. So we have divided. Now we will find final answer minus 2. X power 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 8x and 3 minus 2 is 1, so no need to write 1, minus 5 and minus 3 upon x square. Now we will do next question, part number 2 of same question number 2. So let's start. Second part. Minus 12x plus 12x square minus 16x cube plus 4, and it is to be divided by 2x. Again, first term is minus 12x upon 2x, then plus 12x square upon 2x, then again minus 16x cube upon 2x, then plus 4 upon 2x. So we will solve now. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. It is x-axis also cancelled, minus 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So plus 6 x power 2 minus 1 minus 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 8 x power 3 minus 1 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This is 2 upon x. So it becomes minus 6 plus 6. 2 minus 1, 1 we need not to write. Minus 8x, 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2 upon x. So after second part, we will proceed with third part. In third part, it is 2 upon 3 z power 4, then minus 1 upon 3 z square minus 1, and whole term, this polynomial divided by 1 upon 3z. So again we will solve in the same way. The first term is 2 upon 3 z power 4 over 1 upon 3 z. Then minus 1 upon 3 z square upon 1 upon 3 z minus 1 upon 3 z. Now further 2 upon 3 and 3 upon, this will be reciprocated, 3 upon 1, and z power 4 minus 1 minus 1 upon 3 can be cancelled out, z power 2 minus 1 minus 1, ये रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाएगा 3 over 1 इंटू 1 over z. तो आगे इसको सॉल्व करना है. 3 and 3 कैंसल्ड, 2z power 4 minus 1 is 3 minus z power 2 minus 1 is only 1, so no need to write 1, minus 3 upon z. So we have solved part number third also, and now fourth part we will solve. Part number 4 of question number 2. 2 under root 2 z power 4 plus 4 under root 2. This is not z, this is q power 4, and this is q cube. Then plus q square divided by minus 2 under root 2 q square. Simple. 2 under root 2 q power 4 upon minus 2 root 2 q square plus 4 under root 2 q power 3 upon minus 2 under root 2 q square plus q square upon माइनस 2 अंडर रूट 2 क्यू स्क्वेयर. अब देखो सॉल्व कैसे करना है. अंडर रूट 2 के साथ अंडर रूट 2 कैंसिल कर दो, 2 के साथ 2 कैंसिल कर दो, माइनस क्यू की पावर 4 माइनस 2, ये माइनस और प्लस बन जाएगा माइनस. अंडर रूट 2 कैंसिल कर दो, 2 1 जार 2 एंड 2 2 जार 4. सो दिस इज माइनस 2 क्यू की पावर 3 माइनस 2. ये माइनस और प्लस बन जाएगा माइनस. क्यू स्क्वेयर कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 2. सो दिस वे लास्ट स्टेप इज माइनस क्यू पावर 4 माइनस 2 इज 2 माइनस 2 क्यू पावर 3 माइनस 2 इज 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 root 2. So in this video I have solved question number 1 all parts, question number 2 all parts of worksheet 2 of polynomials. In my next video I will do question number 3 of worksheet 2 polynomials. If you really understand the way I have explained, you are requested to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.